All right, so as always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image, and you can have a seat at any time. Today we're gonna start off with shoulder rolls. We're gonna loosen up the shoulders and neck so you can stand with your feet about shoulder width apart, and then begin to lift your shoulders up towards your ears, let them fall back and down. So big circular motions with the shoulders, releasing tension from the neck, the upper back, and the shoulders. You can do this 5 to 10 times every single day, multiple times a day, if it feels okay to you. Breathing. All right, one more time. And then we'll do some bouncing. Special request from one of our students. So for bouncing, you can just go nice and loose and nice and light. Just letting the hands just shake out, going up and down. All right, you don't have to go very vigorous. You can go nice and light. All right, or you can do a little bit of hopping as well, really getting out any stuck energy, letting out all kinds of tension in the body. And just breathing, jumping, or staying in place, just a little bounce is okay too. Really get the energy flowing. All right, and then coming back down to stillness, and then just taking a moment to feel into the body. You might even start to notice it buzzing and tingling. That's the energy flowing and the blood flow. And then with both hands together, we'll sync the chi. So as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front, draw the hands in towards the heart, and then down towards the earth, syncing the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Moving nice and slow, feeling all the sensations that you can. All right, one more time, sync the chi. And then from here, the arms float up to shoulder height, and the arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Opening the door, the start of the journey. All right, one more time, rising up. Softening down. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, and then floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in as you rise up. Breathing out, letting go. Opening the shoulders and the chest, creating space in the spine. One more time, holding up the sky. And then from here, circle the arms in front as if you're hugging a big tree, rounding out and soften. The arms open up wide, making 2 loose fists. Then one fist goes behind the neck, the other behind the back as you gently turn, and then coming back to center, turning the other way. Drawing sabers. Gentle rotation, never forcing it, just easing in, especially with the arms. One more time, drawing sabers. And then this time, both arms reach up overhead, leaning over to the side. The bottom palm faces up, the top palm faces down, and then switching sides. We call this painting the rainbow. So gentle weight shift, and you can always keep the arms low. For any shoulder issues, you can just simply go side to side, like so. Or lifting up overhead is an option for you too. All right, one more time, painting the rainbow. And then both arms float all the way down, circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide. This time, the hands float down. The backs of the hands face each other. They float up the midline of the body and then drift out to the sides, the fountain. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. How much can you let go as we learn to move like water, soft but powerful? Breathing in, breathing out one more time, the fountain. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, both hands drift over to the side and down, and then just drifting side to side, like tall grass in the breeze, a nice gentle sway. And then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the heel right out in front, like you're testing out the water. Bring it back in, shift the weight, other side, tap the heel. All right, this time tap the heel, the hand comes right over the foot. Other side, tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. This time, hand over the foot, the other hand in front of the heart, playing the pipa, the Chinese guitar. Other side, tap the heel, the hands come right out in front. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, play the pipa, the Chinese guitar. And then step back in and hug the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the arms open wide, the wrists cross down low as you soften down. Then as you rise up, the arms open overhead, floating all the way out and down. Gathering the energy from the earth and then giving it back to the sky above. Harmonizing yin and yang. This giving and receiving. The dynamic exchange of the universe. And just coming down as much as you can, comfortably rising back up. One more time, harmonize yin and yang. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. And then step right out to the corner, and as you step out, the bottom hand tosses the moon into the sky. And then circle it around again, catch the moon, and then toss it away. The other hand pushes down. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, parting the wild horse's mane. This time, step the front foot back in, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open. Then this hand scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. Step out to the corner, parting the wild horse's mane. Creating tranquility out of chaos. And as always, don't worry about getting it perfect. Just keep on moving. Breathing in, breathing out. Taking as many breaths as you need. One more time, parting the wild horse's mane. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree. We'll do some basic Tai Chi FLOW Walking. The arms open, this hand scoops under, step in, catch the moon. Step out to the corner, parting the horse's mane. And then from here, stay with me, sit back, lift the front toes, pivot on the heel, place the toes forward, step up with the back leg and catch the moon. Step out to the corner, parting the horse's mane. And we'll do that one more time. Sit back, lift the toes, pivot on the heel, catch the moon as you step the back foot up, step to the corner, toss the moon. And then from here, both hands reach up. They float down, step the front foot all the way back, circle the arms in front, play the pipa, tap the heel right out in front. Step the front foot back, circle the arms around, tap the heel right out in front. Breathing in, breathing out. And you can always just step to the side if you run out of room. We'll do one more. Play the pipa, the Chinese guitar. All right, then step down and catch the moon. Step in, take your time. Step out to the corner, parting the wild horse's mane. We'll continue our flow walking. So sit back, lift the toes, pivot on the heel, place the foot forward, the back foot steps up, catch the moon, step to the corner, parting the horse's mane, and we'll do one more. So sit back, lift the toes, pivot, place the foot down, catch the moon as you step up, step to the corner, toss it away. And then from here, the bottom hand reaches up, both hands float down as you step the front foot back. Take a peek for safety if you need to. Tap the front heel, play the pipa. Step the front foot back, circle the arms around, tap the heel right out in front. Breathing in, breathing out. Once again, step to the side if you run out of room. Just keep going side to side. That works too. Very nice. And then step back in, hug the tree, and soften. From here, both arms float all the way down by the sides. And the arms float up overhead, reaching up to the sky. And you can keep going just like that, or this time you can lift your heels, coming on the balls of the feet. The wild goose rises, building balance and strength. Rising up or keeping your feet flat, it's all good. Just meeting yourself where you're at. One more time, the wild goose rises. And then circle the arms in front. This time the hands come together in prayer position right in front of the heart. And then step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the fingertips guide the way out to the sides. They scoop around, going the other way. The dragon pierces the clouds. Going side to side, gentle rotation. And you can keep going side to side, or if you like, you can let the hands begin to go upwards towards the peak of the mountain, with each pass going a little bit higher. And then going down the mountain trail to the base of the mountain. Take your time. And then you can continue to go side to side, or you can move in any way that would feel wonderful for you right now. The spontaneous dragon. Tuning into the body, let the energy guide you. Tuning into the body's wisdom. Bringing curiosity instead of judgment. Just going with the flow. Breathing. All right, one more time, the spontaneous dragon. And then when you're ready, you can release. Round out as if you're hugging the tree. Bring it right to center. Step one foot in a little bit closer. Then from here, the arms open. They float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. Then this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side. Breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Calming the heart. Calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can, comfortably. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart, and down. One more time, open the heart, rising up, soften down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. I hope you enjoyed today's session. If you did, this class is part of our free monthly clickable calendar program. Just click the link below to get your free monthly clickable calendar. Thank you so much, and I look forward to having you in class again real soon. Peace.